Wearing cufflinks might feel like an art if you've never tried it before, but it isn't rocket science. Think of them as jewelry for your shirts. The first thing you need is a shirt with French cuffs. Without it, cufflinks are useless. Finding French cuff shirts can be tricky since they're not as common as button cuffs. Most department stores carry them, but you'll have more luck shopping online. Pro tip, get one in crisp, white or light blue. These colors scream versatility and elegance. Once you have your French cuff shirt, lay it flat and align the holes on the cuff. It might seem like a puzzle at first, but trust me, those holes are there for a reason. This is your starting point. Keep your cufflinks handy. They come in 3 types: bullet back, whale back, and chain link. Most people opt for bullet or whale back due to their ease of use. Chain links look cool, but can be fiddly, and who has time for that? Insert the cufflink through both layers of fabric. The decorative face should be visible on the outside. It's like front row seats for a fashion statement. If you start from the inside, it's like wearing socks over shoes, and just don't. Now, secure your cufflink so it stays snugly in place throughout the day. For bullet back and whale back styles, flip the toggle to lock the cufflink. Chain links, just squeeze them in if they aren't cooperating. Let's talk suit pairing. Choose a suit that complements your shirt and doesn't clash with your cufflinks. A navy suit pairs well with silver or gold cufflinks, classic, sophisticated, and you can't go wrong. It's a game of mix and match. And choosing cufflinks can feel overwhelming. Go simple for everyday wear, maybe a nice silver. For events, you can get creative. I once found a pair shaped like tiny airplanes. Instant conversation starter, but not for the risk averse. Fastening cufflinks might feel weird at first. The pressure comes from the cuffs not meeting naturally like button cuffs do. Keep a steady hand and practice a few times before a big event. This way you won't sweat the small stuff. Adjusting your sleeves after fastening the cufflinks is crucial. Your cuffs should peek out slightly from under your suit jacket. This isn't just a style rule, it's a badge of honor for the well-dressed. Details matter, and the small things prepare for compliments. Cufflinks silently exude style and precision. They're noticeable yet subtle, adding a personal touch to your outfit. Think of them as a metaphor for life. Little details that hold everything together. Remember the spares. There's nothing worse than a missing cufflink. Always have extras. You might find them falling out of favor with those rogue cups, or worse, unnoticed until later. Preparation saves the day and the outfit.